DIY IT Lesson 4: The False Economy of Free Labor, the Hidden Truth About Free DIY IT Management. Think managing your own IT saves money? Let's do some real math. That free DIY approach actually costs you in 5 devastating ways. First, there's your time. Every hour you spend fixing computers is an hour not growing your business. Second, you're distracting productive employees who should focus on their actual jobs, not amateur IT troubleshooting. Third, your amateur security creates vulnerabilities that invite costly cyber attacks. Fourth, without proper monitoring, you're gambling with system failures that cause expensive downtime. And fifth, you're risking compliance violations that can result in massive fines. Here's what's really happening. While you think you're saving on IT costs, you're actually paying premium rates for inferior protection. Your valuable time becomes the most expensive tech support possible, and the stress of worrying about technology problems you're not qualified to prevent is eating away at your focus and productivity. Professional managed services include monitoring, maintenance, security, backup verification, and expert support for one predictable monthly fee. Compare that to the hidden costs of DIY disasters, employee distraction, security breaches, and system failures. The truth is brutal but simple. DIY IT's hidden costs typically exceed professional management expenses while delivering inferior protection. You're not saving money, you're gambling with your business survival using amateur knowledge against professional level threats. Stop paying premium prices for amateur IT management. Your business deserves better.